Hello, good day. This is Damien from FixWinPC, and today's video is finding Wi-Fi passwords using the command line. Alright, first thing you need to do is open a command shell with admin rights. Once you've done that, you type in the following. Once you type that, we show profiles that are stored on this laptop, and then you pick the one you're looking for. Right, so I'm going to select this one here. Oops. And when you select this one, so now that we get the profile, we can see that the security key is not present. I mean, it says security key present, but the actual security key is not being shown. To get it to show, we have to enter these commands. Same WLAN show profile, the SSID name, and we have to add key equals clear, so that we can see the password in clear text. And there you have it. Quick, easy way to find the lost Wi-Fi password. This has been Damien. Thank you again for viewing, and enjoy the rest of your day.